Hello everyone. Now we can see this is one patient Toshiba hard drive, and the capacity is 0. And we can see the model number shows drive under construction and the serial number. And there is one strange thing that we find that the model number and SN number are different from the hard drive label. Because from the label, we find something different. Let's try to check the serial number first. And the serial number is 6S, but on the label is T. So let's try to check. Also, there is something like the hard drive ID. This is a ID module, and if users open this module, we can find this is the real model number. The model number is MK755LIGSXE. Okay, so we need to change the model number to this one too, and the SN number is this one is T on the label, so this one can be changed by some others. Okay, and E, and on the label here it is F. So we need to compare the model number and SN number with the model number and SN number on the label, hard drive label. Users can compare to see if this one is the original one or not. So we just change them back. Now we click OK. Let's check the log window. Okay, now let's power off, power on the drive again, and we exit and re-enter the software. Now we can see that the drive has been restored to original status. So this one is important to recognize the problem to cause the hard drive failure. Sometimes if the model number and SN number are different from the label, so users just need to change them back to get the hard drive detected. Now users can go to the DFL DDP data recovery software for data recovery, like this one. This is SATA 0, so we select SATA 0, click DDP. Okay, so on the DFL DDP, we can go to new project, next step, file extraction. And here we can extract the master data. So this one is very easy. So Toshiba MK series. Just how to get the undetected Toshiba pension drive to be detected, and then use the DDP data recovery software to get the lost data back. The software is now scanning the lost partitions. Okay, thank you for watching the video.